Running a small business is already a full-time job. Trying to keep up with phishing scams, ransomware, and non-stop cyber threats? Well, that's another job entirely, and one that most business owners were just never trained for. That's where CyberSmart Resource comes in. Our mission is to help equip small business owners and entrepreneurs with the knowledge and guidance they need to operate securely and empower your teams and organizations to stay safe from cyber attacks. In our latest course, Social Engineering Defense Mastery, we break down social engineering attacks into simple, practical steps your team can actually understand and use. No jargon, no fear tactics, just clear guidance, real-world examples, and tools designed for everyday businesses, not tech experts. In this course, we cover a variety of social engineering attacks, common scams and how they make attacks harder to identify. But we don't just cover how to identify, we give practical steps to avoid falling victim. We also dive into what you should do if you do fall victim or think you may have fallen victim for a social engineering attack. We provide real-world examples and share tips using real-world emails and messages. Keeping your business and team members secure should be your number one priority. You don't need to be a cybersecurity expert, you just need the right resource. Enroll in our course today at cybersmartresource.com/courses or contact us to see what other ways we can help you and your team operate safely and securely. You can email us at info@cybersmartresource.com.